How to use the Parabolic SAR trading indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the Parabolic SAR indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. Parabolic SAR, or stop and reverse, is an indicator that helps to determine the trend direction and moments for a possible trend reversal. The indicator is displayed on the chart as dots that are placed above or below the price. How to set up the Parabolic SAR indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. For short-term trades, the acceleration parameter, also called step, is set to 0.02, and the maximum acceleration parameter, also called just maximum, is set to 0.2. When SAR dots cross the price from bottom to top, it is a signal to open a down trade. When SAR dots cross the price from top to bottom, it can be a good moment to open an up trade. Use Parabolic SAR in combination with other indicators such as MACD and ADX to improve the accuracy of the signals. Try now. Follow the link in the description.